Hey, this is John Young with the Disc Jockey News. Today we're going to be doing a light show. We're going to set up a full wedding DJ light show and get it up and going out of the box and get it up and going. We're going to do this live. This is going to be an uncut video, so if I get a paper cut, you're going to see it and it's all going to be there. I'm going to open the boxes. First off, I'm going to use my favorite new utility knife from Craftsman. It's a dual blade knife, so I have one that has the hook and one that's a traditional. Absolutely great. Go to Lowe's and get this one. These are what I'm opening up. These are from Chauvet. These are, I'll give you the model. This is the 4-bar LT Quad BT. Basically, this is a little 4 light fixture, Bluetooth, red, green, blue, and red, green, blue, and white, I think. I don't know where. Anyway, so that's what I have in the box here. And we're going to go and set this up and get it up and running, both trees, and to show you how quickly and easily this goes. So we've got our pieces in here for hanging. We've got the wire for the foot switch and the remote control in here. Don't need any. I've got a stand here that we're going to use because I want to put them up so you guys can see them. And then we're going to make light happen. The only other piece that you haven't seen so far that we're going to be utilizing in this is an iPad. Now, I don't need to have an iPad to run the Chauvet DJ's BTAir app. I can run it with a cell phone. And that's going to be what I'm going to be running it at most of the time because our iPads are being used for other things at the shows. Obviously, there's a little case. Here is the light tree. Right here, you'll notice it's a smaller diameter, so it doesn't work with, some of the larger O clamps and things, but who cares? That's not what I'm after. I'm after a quick light show for me as a wedding DJ. If some of this doesn't work, you're going to see it live. And this video will be put up as is. So if something's not right, you're going to know. Boom. Carrying bag, yay. One disappointment with these carrying bags is that this is actually going to be, this is the third one I've opened. I have another one over there that I picked up for my first show to kind of test. Absolutely loved it. That was the second one. The first one came, and because this is a soft side bag, the lights on the end were bent. Now this particular case, okay, this one's got a little bit of a bend to it where it's bent in. I can probably just bend it out and we're good to go. The second one that I had, it was actually not bent. It was, these were so loose that they could move back and forth. That's a problem. This is a flimsy bag, and unless you put it in somewhere or you take care of it, you're going to have some issues. So I'm just going to set this way. Make sure you guys can see that. I'm going to move it over here. Move my light tree out of the way. That's one. I will need the power cord, it looks like. And that's in that box. This is riveting video, I realize that. There we go, power cord. It is right here, and I'll run that over to the wall. Oh, and it won't fit, or won't reach. So we're going to have probably our extension cord somewhere. Well, wouldn't you know, I don't have an extension cord handy, so we're going to get it close enough. Okay, number 2. As you can see, 4 fixtures. They've got 3 LEDs there, and those are quad LEDs that are in this. And again, the biggest reason I went with this is because of the Bluetooth ability. If you guys haven't played with the Bluetooth there, if I would actually hit the seam with my utility knife, it would go right like that. I can't hit a seam, obviously, with a knife. But the Bluetooth Air is what I'm really after. I've been using that with a couple of the different floodlights from Chauvet. And I absolutely love the ability to have a quick light show, control it with my tablet or my phone, whatever you want to put the Bluetooth Air on. It's easy, simple, and it works. I can literally put lights around the gymnasium, and it will work. So, and you guys can go check out a video I did. I went out and I illuminated some corn. I took a battery, a little device from Greenworks that gave me 150 watts of power, something like that, and then I plugged a couple of the lights in. And then I walked down the field. So I was out 300-400 feet and was still changing the lights, somewhere in that ballpark, about 300 feet I think it was. Okay, second tree, getting that set. And that can help keep this one a little bit lower so it can be seen. And again, the box with all the other stuff, don't need it. If you want to run it with a foot switch and link them, you can. If you want to run it with the remote control, you can. But there's this magic thing called Bluetooth, and that's what I plan to use. More foam. So they have the packed that way. It's just the left and the right. The up and the down, they're pretty secure. So again, you guys are going to see if for some reason, and you know what I just did again? The bag that has the cord, I just tossed it over there. Oh, this is riveting video when you get to go. I mean, you get to watch me go over, and or you won't get to see me go over there. But I've got to go over and get that cord too. Ugh. Yeah, this is my first day on the job. Okay, there's the two trees. They are up. Let me grab that cord, which I decided to be a funny guy and toss out of the way. I don't even know. What do we got for time so far? We're under 5 minutes so far. So in Randy Bartlett's world, we are just about approaching a minute right now. And if you are not sure why I said that, check it out on Wednesdays, Randy Bartlett, where we get a minute with Randy Bartlett. First off, one of the greatest little shows you're going to find for educational content for wedding DJs. Secondly is a minute can seem like 5. Or is it 5 can seem like a minute? Not really sure how you'd put that, but it works for both of them. Okay, so we have them plugged there and there. Can I reach the outlets? Scoochy, scoochy. There's one plugged in. And there's 2 plugged in. Okay, so now we're plugged in. Now here's where the magic comes in. And you guys are going to get to see me do this. They are doing their thing. I don't know what they're doing. Don't really care. Because we're hoping that this will work the first time and it'll make us look cool. Firing up the Bluetooth, the Chauvet DJ BTAir app right here. And it's finding compatible fixtures. Let's see what it can do. It's thinking. But we have to have Bluetooth on. You do not have to have Wi-Fi. It's not a Wi-Fi thing. It's a Bluetooth thing. It says there's a 4-bar LT quad BT, and there's 2 of them out there. So I'm going to go check. Oh, check it? No, maybe not yet. Can I not check it yet? Woo! Did I get them both? Yes, I did. So I'm at a fixed color right now. Now, let's see. I've got some, because I've used these on the other lights, I have a couple of things. So I've got a fade program set. And it's really bright, so you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to dim it down. Hey, there we go. Now I have the lights. Can you guys see all the lights? Yeah, you can see them working. I've got 8. I'm down to, by the way, if you can see that, the top right here is the dim, so I'm down to about 30%. 31 is where I'm at out of 100. Let's see, I want to go to my scroll. And I've got, that's my scroll color, and it is so bright. So we're going to go find Mr. Dimmer again and take it way down so we can actually look at it. Excellent. That's the scroll. Let's go to the rainbow. And I have the dimmer down because I use the rainbow kind of as my slow dance. And I have the rainbow going between red, white, and blue. So that's what you're kind of seeing right now. And then, let's see, zone chase. I don't think I have anything set there. So really my main ones are fade, scroll, and rainbow are the ones I have set up. And you can see that. Let's go back to a fixed color. I can go, I've got red selected. If I want to add one, I can go and click on that and find a color. Let's say I want to make a blue. I can take this over to blue and I have it set. I can go done and it's there. And then I can click the save and I can go blue. Yes. And then if I want to do another one, I can go and go, oops. No, I want to go save this. And I'm going to create another color and done. Shoot, I'm doing this backwards. And I want to stay blue on this one. I need to hit the save first. Anyway, it's been a little while, but you get the idea that you can go, and I want to go red, yes, and then I can go and, no, I didn't. Pairing playback. There we go. I've got them. Yeah, I haven't putzed with it for a while because I've got things set up here. So there's my blue. There's my green. Should be right there when it changes colors. And I can go play on that. Slow red, blue. Anyway, it's the controls are there. I'm kind of messing up the things. So it took about 5 minutes. Oh, it says 9 minutes over there. My watch stopped counting. So quick and easy, especially once you've got a couple of things programmed. And then I've got to sit down. It's been a little while because we just did proms and we were full DMX for proms. But this is going to be something I use for weddings. And it took less than 10 minutes to go from box to something functional for using at a show. Oh, let's do a little chase with a rainbow. We can do that because it's quick and easy with the Bluetooth thing. And again, the programming, I didn't have it right because there's some little certain steps. It's very simple to do. It's just that these came in today, and I wanted to show you as quickly as possible how we can set them up and be functioning if you needed to have a under 10-minute setup brand new light show. This is John Young with This Jockey News. We'll put links in the description below so you can go check these out. Right now, you can get these from our friends at NLFX. They are doing a great price on these, and they'll take care of you and give you some great service on that. NLFXpro.com, you can check them out. Again, links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.